Behold, Snow White, the fairest of them all. Today we're gonna be doing a Ryzen build for under 10,000 ringgit or $2,000 US. Are you ready to take a bite of the poisoned apple? A huge shout out to Fractal Design, ASRock, AMD, WD and ID Cooling for sponsoring this video. However, we do reserve the right to an unbiased opinion as usual, so let's get cracking. So, you've got the cash to smash and you want a balls to the walls computer to impress your hot date. We've got you covered, bro. Today's computer is for those who work hard but play harder. Firstly, for the CPU, we've selected the Ryzen 7 1700X priced at 1,831 ringgit or $299.99 US. With 8 cores, 16 threads and a max turbo speed of 4 GHz, this processor is a total beast for everything from video or 3D rendering and gaming while streaming. Check out our Ryzen 7 review if you want to see how it fares against Intel's offerings. To keep things nice and cool, we're pairing our CPU with an ID Cooling AuraFlow 240 RGB all-in-one liquid cooler. This cooler sure is cool with its copper water block and ability to synchronize with RGB motherboards. Just make sure that you align the connectors correctly so that the disco lights work properly. For some future proofing, we've selected the flagship ASRock X370 Taichi at 1,099 ringgit or $199.99 US. This should allow for the greatest headroom for overclocking, and while we won't be doing SLI today, it is there if you want it. If you want to find out what you'll be missing out by going B350 instead, do check out our X370 versus B350 video for more information. Moving on to memory, we went for a set of Galax Hall of Fame 16GB DDR4 rated at a whopping 3600 MHz. Ever since the Agisa update from AMD, users have reported higher achievable DRAM frequencies, so we're really excited to see what this bad boy can do. The Malaysian MSRP for this is not announced yet, but it was previously listed for $179 US on their online store. As for the graphics card, we went for a Zotac GTX 1080 Ti M Edition priced at 3,819 ringgit or $755 US. This card runs cooler, runs faster than our Founders Edition 1080 Ti with a higher boost clock of 1683 MHz. It also comes with a dual 8-pin PCIe power delivery, 3 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 HDMI 2.0 and a DVI port. Again, at 445 ringgit or $100 US, the WD Blue 250GB M.2 SATA drive is hard to beat as primary storage for the OS and applications. Feel free to go for the WD Black PCIe M.2 instead if you value stability and insane transfer speeds, or if you just want the best shit in town. SuperFlower is the premium OEM for many big-name brands such as EVGA and Roseville. We decided to check out their Leadex Gold 650-watt white power supply. At 479 ringgit or $112 US, this fully modular and 80+ gold power supply is a steal. Also, it is one of the very few white PSUs out there. So YOLO! Finally, I choose you! Fractal Design defined refined R5 as our chassis for this build. Fractal Design has remained one of my personal favorite casing manufacturers out there. I've always been a huge fan of their Scandinavian minimalist aesthetics and functional design. With a total of 8 drive bays plus 2 SSD mounts at the back, the R5 offers plenty of storage options for your massive prawn collection. It also comes in 9 fan positions with 2 included 140mm fans, dust filters at the front and bottom, 7 expansion slots with support for graphics cards up to 310mm long, extensive water cooling compatibility for those who like to get wet, noise dampening materials, a cool release mechanism, and smart captive screws for the side panel that should be an industry standard. What more can I say? It's freaking awesome! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Amau and Akau, and everything in between, let me welcome the newest addition to the MOBHouse family, Tao Fu Fa. shishi, awat lele. Tofu fa can be yours for only 9,300 ringgit or 2,000 US dollars and should be available in all your local bathhouses. I mean stores. Stores, right? Stores. If you have any questions regarding Tofu fa or PC hardware in general, please leave us a comment down below. Give us a like and subscribe if this video was awesome. And we'll see you next time. Not just you!
With your mother, father, grandfather, granduncle, grandsister,
Grandsister? What the hell is that? Grandsister?
Tofu, appa, and tofu sam, tofu say, tofu chin, bow tie leh.
Bring them all! The more, the merrier. Just give us a subscribe. And we promise to entertain. Or at least we'll try to entertain. If it's not funny, bo guarantee. Tapi nasi guarantee pun si anikwan. Just click. Click 来了 click 来了 subscribe